did they get Disney to license these intellectual properties and the use of their Mickey Mouse characters? Are they licensed?
Right.
And again, I'm not a lawyer, so I know nothing about law. But I'm applying that not to speak about these LLMs specifically, but about our field. How were they trained? Were they properly licensed? The last thing I want is to create some output and then figure out that the LLM provenance, a court found out that it was not properly licensed. There were some copyright violations, and then I'm going to court using a product that's being found liable for a copyright crime, right? And
Yeah,
we don't.
not a good idea.
So what that means to me as a trying to be as a looking forward practitioner is, vendors, you need to tell me, look, is this some proprietary LLM? Did you train it with proper licensing? Can you guarantee that to me, that this will not be a liability later at court or a proceeding of any sort, right? Can you make sure that I'm protected as the buyer of your product from future copyright violations based on how you train your LLM? Does that make sense, Heather?
Yeah, it does. Absolutely does.
And I don't hear anybody talking about that in our field other than myself. So I would hope that it resonates in somebody's ear at some point, and we get some sort of. Again, I could be wrong. Maybe that's already solved or somehow.
That'd be great.
But I would like to hear about it. So
yeah, definitely. One last thing about the gallery builder before you take it too is I only have the images and videos with the file name in the HTML. The MD5 hash and all of the information about where those images are coming from are not included in the gallery builder. So please still include your report that has all of that information that you'll need to properly testify in court.
I mean, it's a great tool to show the things.
Yeah, that's what I wanted it for. Presentation purposes only.
Yeah. But it's definitely not to do here's the analysis of the pictures.
Oh,
that's not what it's for.
Absolutely not. I may have to put that disclaimer in the little README thing.
You know what? I think it's a good idea.
Not a bad idea. Yeah. I do have the disclaimer in there that it was written with the help of ChatGPT, mostly ChatGPT. So,
Gotcha.
So we are at what's new with the leaps. So what's new with the leaps? The one thing that I saw that was new with the leaps is Alexis. He coded for Android the call notes from the Google Pixel data that I was talking about earlier. So the Google Pixel has now the capability to do call notes. What the call notes is you enable call notes on the call. As soon as your call starts, you hit the enable, and the person on the other end and yourself will hear a message that says your call is now being recorded. It records the call, and then at the end of the call, when you hang up, you can see it working. The AI is working to transcribe that message. I will tell you, I tested it with my sister. It absolutely does not understand how we talk because it got tons of stuff wrong in what we said, but it was funny to read. So if you're seeing that in your case data, just please know that may not be what the people on the phone call actually said. So listen to the recording as well. The recording is there as well. But I believe that Alexis is the very first person to code parsing that from the Google Pixel data in the newest iOS or newest Android release.
Yeah, and I was kind of pressuring poor Heather because I wanted to do it first before everybody else.
Like, I'm doing it on my personal phone. Hold on.
Can you give me that data, please?
No.
So a couple of things. I'm not finished. I just kind of put it out there just to have something out.
Let me take that away.
Yeah, I'm not finished because you'll see now.